Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I am sharing the recipe of jelly pudding. In a saucepan, add jelly packet. Add 2 cups of water. Stir on medium flame till it dissolves. Once it is boiling, pour into a mold. Let it cool. Then refrigerate it. In the saucepan, add jelly packet. Add 2 cups of water. Stir on medium flame till it dissolves. Once it is boiling, pour it into a bowl. Let it cool. Add 200 grams of fresh cream. Beat it. Cut the set jelly into pieces. Place it in a greased mold. Pour the cream jelly. Cover it with a cling wrap. Refrigerate till it is set. Run a knife around the edges. Unmold it on a plate. Do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.